Hello, friends. It's Sanjay Raghav here. I'm a neurologist and my special interest is in Parkinson's disease. I'm going to take you through this program, which we call as Outpace Parkinson's Recovery Program. This is for Parkinson's patients newly diagnosed or who have Parkinson's for a while. Now, this program is developed as a self-care program. It comes into the category of lifestyle medicine, which means what you can do with your life. It's not about the medications what you take, and definitely you have to continue with the treatment what you're taking and other things which you are adding to your treatment, like complementary therapies, whether it's herbal, naturopath, acupuncture, or whatever you are interested in it. It's nothing to do with that. It is mainly about what lifestyle changes you can bring in your life which can improve your Parkinson's disease and can improve your symptoms. So I'll touch base about how this program came into being. I am a neurologist and my special area of interest is movement disorders, and Parkinson's disease is one of the movement disorders, and I work in public hospital system and private system. I'm also involved in research in Parkinson's disease, and with all my interest in Parkinson's disease and seeing how the disease advances and there's no cure, it took me to this journey of finding what patients can do to improve. And in this search, I found a lot of interesting facts and things which I combined together and started taking a Parkinson's retreat program, which was a 2-night program. And this was organized at Yarra Valley Living Center in Yarra Junction in Victoria. And slowly I found that the information was much more than what I initially thought of, which people can inherit and can improve themselves. So we moved from 2-night program to 4-night program, just because I wanted people to soak into it and to know all this stuff gradually and inculcate in their daily life. So this program is about the changes you can make in your own life to bring changes to your Parkinson's disease and its symptoms and also progression of the disease. This program incorporates various aspects of our life which we can change. This starts with how we take things in our life to change our perspective about things. Perspective about Parkinson's disease, about the body, about the mind, what we use. And a very powerful technique of meditation can help in that. Also, power of mind, our belief system, how it can change and how it can help you in your recovery journey. The second and other powerful aspect of this program is your nutrition, your diet, what you take in, because we are made up of what we take through our mouth, and our mind also gets affected by the food what we eat. So that's a very important thing. There are foods which we should avoid, and there are foods which we should have more in our diet which can help in Parkinson's disease. The third and very powerful effect is of the exercise. And in the exercise domain, I have taken a path of a very simple and easy doing yoga, which you can do even on a chair. You don't really need to be sitting on a mat all the time. And there are very simple, slow techniques which I'll take you through. And the yoga program in itself has inbuilt breathing meditation, breathing exercises, mindfulness meditation, and some postures and techniques by which you can slow the progression of the disease. You can find improvement in your symptoms. And it's all evidence-based medicine. Then we come to other things which can help, which I call it lifestyle tips. And we will go through all of that stuff slowly and gradually through subsequent videos. Thanks for watching it, and hope you enjoy, you inculcate in your daily habits, and you empower yourself to improve your condition, to slow the progression of disease.